remote to put the Elsa back because the Elsa is broken and only the Anna is working. But you got red on your lip because you got lipstick.
Mia got lipstick on. Say good morning, Daddy. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Daddy.
Let's have lunch.
Let's have lunch.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm just making this coffee. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So ito yung gamit ko, the coffee mix 3-in-1 ng G7 instant coffee. So dalawa yung packet na lagi kong nilalagay. Dito ko nilalagay lagi yung coffee ni Daddy kasi nag-stay yung code niya hanggang tomorrow. Ganon siya kaganda. Ayan, sa ano ko lang ito nabili? Cold 24 hours and then hot 10 hours. I already put the pork belly sa air fryer. So, i-roast pork ko siya, guys. Tama ba yung ginawa ko? Nilagay ko sa air fryer. Dapat sa oven. Okay lang yan. Same lang naman yan. Kagabi ko pa ni-marinate yung pork belly, guys. So, sana masarap. Normally kasi pag nagbabanhoy kami, bumibili ako ng roast pork sa restaurant para hindi na ako mag-roast. Mia, you wanna give this to Daddy? Come on. So you can give this to check. Yay! Ta-da! Iced coffee.
Try Daddy's one.
You wanna try?
It's not hot.
You're not allowed this.
It's one of them.
Naka-ready na siya, nakabihis.
This one is to be so
What is it?
This one is to be so tiny.
Try a little bit.
Is it hot?
It's cold. Give this to Daddy. And come back for check.
Your favorite.
Your favorite? Nakapag-favorite ka ha. Mag-laundry pala tayo. Oh, thank you, baby. Pero kukunin ko pa yung hamper ng cousin ni V para sabay. Good job, my love. Check, ha? Say good morning to check first, okay? Huh? Don't, make sure you don't spill on your clothes. It's really full. So, mommy? Wow. Wow. Thank you, baby. You're such a good girl. Wow. Well done. Oh, careful. Slowly. Knock-knock. Ito pala siya. Meron pa pala tayo nito. Ito yung hindi 3-in-1. So, pwede mo din siya gamitin to make coffee. Iced coffee. Pero, yung gusto ni na Daddy, ito 3-in-1. Saka yung, ano siya? Check natin yung roast pork. Ooh. Hindi na masarap. Hindi na maganda yung ano, guys. Mint and basil. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang bilis nila masira talaga itong mga veggie na to. Pero okay pa yung lettuce, ito, chives, tsaka ito. O, bigay ito ng auntie ni V. So, I don't know. I don't know if magbabanhuy pa kami. Kasi kulang nga. We have adobo naman. Tapos, caramelized pork there. And yung pork belly. So, di ko alam kung magbabanhuy pa sila daddy. Importante kasi dito sa banhoy, yung veggies, which is basil talaga, tsaka mint. So, yun talaga yung parang gusto nila kainin with this. Oh, looking so good. Kaya lang parang hindi siya crispy. I don't know kung magiging crispy to. Ilang minutes na lang. Dagdagan pa natin. Parang kulang. 10 minutes. Nilagay ko siya kanina, 15 minutes. So, yeah. In 180 ba yun? Tama, 180 degrees Celsius. Alright, update. Sasabi ni Daddy, mag-rice na lang daw sila. Pero, mag-wrap pa din sila. Mag-wrap pa din sila ng lettuce tsaka chives. So, ito tapon na natin.
A little bit of my cup.
Điều họ không ngờ tới là cú đấm của Triệu Bằng Thành là có chủ ý, mục đích là vạch trần điểm yếu của Tôn Nhiên. Đúng như dự đoán, động thái này khiến Tôn Nhiên hoàn toàn hoảng sợ. Bộ phận giả bị hỏng, anh ta nhận ra mình sắp bị lộ. Vì vậy, để rời khỏi nước trước khi bị lộ, Tôn Nhiên vội vàng liên lạc với tuyến trên, hy vọng có thể thu xếp. 어딜 가든 매번 네 생각이 난다고. Alright. 너의 목소리가 너무 그리웠다고. All the time.
Hello, tayo mag-ready guys. Busog na busog ako today. So, ayun, in-oven ni Daddy yung roast pork. And mas nag-crunchy siya guys. So, yeah, Daddy found a way to fix it, which is so good. Daddy is so good. So, yeah, super crispy ng ating roast pork. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. But, yeah, segregate ko na din yung mga damit na iwawash ko, yung colored, black, and whites. So, segregate ko na siya and I'm doing my first load right now. Ayan. So, mag-ready tayo para punta na tayo ng mall and mabalik yung ni Mia, karaoke. Kamusta naman ang ating eyelashes? Eyelashes natin guys ng bunny. We will have dinner outside daw later. So, hindi ko alam kung saan. And, birthday ni Daddy sa Monday, guys. My gosh. So, di ko alam anong i-gift sa kanya. So, baka mamaya, tingin-tingin na lang din kami ni Mia doon kung ano yung i-gift namin. Kasi, kaka-gift ko lang sa kanya ng perfume. Yung Father's Day. So, di ko alam kung ano i-gift ko. Si Daddy, hindi siya mahilig sa mga pag-gift-gift. So, okay lang sa kanya kahit walang gift. But, of course, ako, gusto ko talaga may gift for him. Tsaka si Mia. And of course, our baby boy. So, yeah. We will see kung ano yung mahanap natin. Parang all the time, pag birthday niya, damit yung binibili ko sa kanya. Dapat Arsenal, kasi mas gusto niya talaga si Arsenal. Kaya lang, parang feeling ko wala naman silang shop dun na nagbibenta ng Arsenal. Kailangan ko bumili online, but then it's too late. So, hindi ko alam guys. We are done! So, ayan na. Pina-side bangs ko na lang guys kasi ang haba na ng bangs ko. Try ko nga mamaya kung makapag-cut si Mia kasi ang haba na ng buhok niya guys. So, gusto ko lang i-cut short tapos magpapagupit ako ng bangs. Hindi ko alam ba? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan open sila. Saturday today, yeah. They're open. Are you ready, Mia? Na-spill niya yung drink niya dyan sa baba.
Milk.
Good job for wiping it. Well done. So what shoes are you gonna wear? You gonna wear shoes?
Milky.
You have to, then, wear socks if you're gonna wear shoes. What shoes are you gonna wear? The lighting up? Huh? The light up one? Wow, well done. Alright. buntis fit today. Ano to siya? Palda skirt. Ayan. Tapos, t-shirt. Ayan. I got this from, saan ba to? Kmart ata tong skirt na to. Ano siya? Pang buntis. Stretchy. Ayan. Pero pwede mo din naman siya ma-wear kahit hindi ka buntis. Buntis ba to? Hindi ko na maalala eh.
Mommy, this hurt me.
Let me see.
Mommy, I need the mirror.
The mirror. Oh my gosh, mag-lipstick din siya. I told you don't use mommy's lipstick. Ano siya guys? This one is the lip oil. So, nagma-moisturize din.
It is lip oil.
Yeah. She likes the color kaya ito yung gamit niya.
I like the color.
Nilagay ko siya on top of my lip tint. Yung kay tawag dito. Rosemar na milkshake.
It's not bitter. Only lipstick is bitter.
Wow. Alright, let's go. We have to get a cardigan kasi feeling ko ang lamig sa labas. Come on. Wow.
Your turn.
I already have. See? It's glowy. So pretty ka na. Okay, let's go. What perfume should we use? Ubusin na natin to. Move there because we have to spray. Move.
No, I have a purse on my kitty. Space on my kitty. Wow. Now I have a purse on my kitty.
Oh, you got purse in your kitty. Show people your outfit
The
today.
pretend kitty purse.
You like your outfit? Huh? Maybe I'll ask people to cut my bangs too. Do you think?
Oh, wait, let me get my brown kitty back.
You're gonna bring your kitty bag again? Oh my gosh. Kitty bag din daw siya. We're in the car. So may binili akong dress sa Kmart kahapon. Yung needed na dress na pwede sa buntis. Kaya lang na-notice ko pagdating ko sa bahay, meron siyang guys, mancha sa baba. Siguro inapakan or basta may mancha. Ang dami niyang mancha. So sabi ko balik ko to. And timing, may nagka-problema din yung ni Mia. Binili natin toy. So, sabi ko balik na lang natin today. No, I don't need it. Oh, that's okay. Dito na tayo customer service. Dito tayo sa underwear.
I can hold this too.
Thank you, babe. Gusto niya talaga hold hands kami. Ayan, naka-hold hands.
I would get lost.
Oh, that's right. Ito yung Andy ko na ginagamit ngayon. Ayan, kaya lang, tingnan nyo yung tahi. Wait lang, ang tahi nandito, sa gilid. Maganda siya kasi seamless siya dito. No visible lines. Ayan. Yung high-waisted ba yan? Basta yan, parang ganito yung akin. And I like it. But, yeah, ito masakit guys kasi na siya, tawag dito, pa-tight na sa akin kasi ang laki na ng tiyan ko. Masikip na. So, nagustuhan ko yung binili ko last time. So, kukuha ako ngayon, which is this one.
4 yellow and 5 yellow.
Yan.
6 yellow, 7.
This one. Ito yung binili ko. Size 10 na ako. My gosh. So, yeah, ganito yung kinuha ko last time. Ito yung tela. And I like it. But yeah. Ito nyo si Mia. Okay, tara, let's go. Mia. Come. Nandito kami, Gym Kids. Yummy? Nakabili siya ng... Yeah, candy sa Kmart. Siya na talaga. Dito kami, Gym Kids. May nakita akong Arsenal dito. Naka-sale pa. And, ayan. Kaya lang, di ko alam kung may size sila niyan. Parang wala. Red na red talaga to. Ay! Size large. Ito may small. Ayan, parang ang laki for daddy. Dapat XS. Alam mo naman nating daddy petit din. May mga ano sila, naka-sale din.
Hello, is daddy a new bowl?
You wanna buy daddy a new ball?
Because he always go poo.
No. You wanna buy daddy this one?
Yeah, because you always play in the pool table and pool.
I know that. How about this? This is the stick.
My new stick too.
No.
Yes, daddy, a favorite color.
What's daddy's favorite color?
Green. It's just so green.
Oh, green. Walang green. The ball.
No, to this one. Because they're all green.
Yeah. I don't know if bibiling ko tong champion na
Daddy,
ano.
it's like I Spy with my little eyes. Who can guess the color?
Ito guys.
Like that.
Ano, naka-sale siya.
Who can do I Spy first?
Ah. But I can't play here. We can't play here. Makaka-copyright tayo. May music. Bungga yung music.
Do it quiet.
Okay, let's go here. Come. Have a look
I
here.
can do I Spy with my little eye first.
Let's have a
I Spy with my little eye. Something the color black.
Where's black?
Here.
Okay, come on din na. Ma-close na sila karon. Ice cream for Mia. Sabi ni Daddy bilan siya ng ice cream kasi good girl daw siya. Thank you! Wow! We'll get a tissue, Mia. Andito na kami sa Big W. You want that one? Are you sure? Hindi niya gusto yun ng Elsa. Are you talaga? You want that talaga? Where are you gonna wear it? To school? Are you serious? You're gonna wear that to school?
Everybody shoot.
Ito yung pinakita ko sa kanya, yung Paw Patrol na Sky. Sabi niya, oh look, Elsa. O, diba? Purple, blue, pink.
Purple.
But you have hips already, Mia. I don't think you need it. You have hips of shoes. Yeah? Come on, let's go exchange this one. Come. Look, how cute is this? Where are you going? That's so cute. Paw Patrol. Andun na siya sa Paw Patrol, guys. Punta kami sa salon. Balik daw kami 4:30 kasi dami pang nakapila. Ang cute naman ito. Ayan o. Kaya lang. Cute naman ito. 0 to 3 months. Tingnan nyo, andun na siya sa Paw Patrol. Best and Less muna tayo. Nasa labas lang kasi ng dito. Ng Best and Less yung salon. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo, nakita niya. What is it? Which one do you want? Lang cute naman ang mga dress nila. Tutu. Ito oh. Lang size 4. Mia, look at this. Look how pretty is this. Mia, look. May gusto talaga siya. Oh, Paw Patrol. You want Sky? So you want Sky? You can choose Sky. No, don't put it on the floor, baby. Ubus niya na yung ice cream niya. Ang cute naman ito. Ang liliit. Ito, cute din. Nag-iisa na lang siya. New baby. Cute ng mga kulay. Little bro! Look at this, Mia!
Huh?
It says little bro. What hoodie?
It's my baby brother!
Yeah.
Because my baby brother is a boy, so that's why baby brother looks like my daddy because they call him bro.
Yeah.
So that's why my baby brother.
Ito cute din. Dami nilang cute ngayon. No, don't get it.
Little bro.
Yeah. Show me. Stand. Oh, it's so cute. Dito tayo sa Rampers. Ang cute ng mga ramper nila. Ito mga pang boys. tingnan niyo, andun siya sa pumipili din siya for baby brother. Are you choosing for baby brother as well? Ha? Ang cute na print na to. Kaya lang wala ng size. New baby na lang. Meron pa ba sila niyan? Ha? You're gonna open it now? Don't open.
Now can we buy?
You're not allowed. That's for girls. That's not for boys. Ang cute din ng romper nila, guys. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I want to open this.
Tingnan mo, may mga toy na siyang nakukuha. What's
I
that?
want to open this now.
How much is that?
Peacock.
Where'd you get that? That's not from you. See, look at the age. Oh, 6+. So it's not for you. Yeah, it says 6+.
I'm 6 already.
No, you're not 6.
I'm 6.
Ang cute din ito. Cutie.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Don't move. Don't move.
Five.
Stay still.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
And a little bit.
Our car is all the way there. You like your haircut?
All the way there. Why?
Like- We can't go inside the mall because it's closed already. 5 na guys eh. Close na yung door nila.
Do we need to get something still?
No more.
There's no way
4:30
of
kami
opening
pinabalik.
the door, and also going inside there again.
Yeah, because their door is automatic. It will open from the inside but not from the outside. Yeah, come on. Nandun kami 4:30 tapos nakat na yung hair niya for
But are we going home
50.
now?
Huh?
Are we going home now?
Yeah, we're going home. We're going to the car park. See? All the way there. You have to go around. You like your haircut though?
You go this side, I go this side.
Oh, I like this, ano. Okay, we're in the car driving. Si Daddy naghihintay sa bahay kasi si Mia gusto niya magbabay. Hindi na kami sasama sa kanila guys magpunta ng city kasi I'm tired. And they're gonna go home late. So I don't wanna go home late and I don't wanna drive there. Yeah, kasi gusto ni Daddy. Separate car kami kasi nga if we want to go home, I can go home. Kaya lang nalalayuan ako guys, ang layo ng city. Ayoko mag-drive that far. So hindi na kami sasama, sila na lang. Kasi late sila umuwi. And I'm tired na din. Matagal na naghintay sa barbershop. Hindi ko napakat yung buhok ko, yung bangs ko. Kasi magpo-close na sila. Si Mia yung last na kinupitan. At least umayos yung bangs niya. Diba? I like her bangs now. Hindi halata na. Hindi halata na ano. Hindi halata na ginupitan niya. Parang pantay. Parang pantay tingnan. What, yay?
No, because you like my hair.
I like your hair. Yeah. You like your hair too? Sabi niya, I like my hair.
I like your hair.
I like my hair too.
Yeah.
Show people your hair. And you like them too? The one who cut you? Yeah? They give you a lollipop? No.
They're good man.
They're a good man. Mga lalaki yung nagugupit dun. Sa DJ Salon kami nagpagupit sa Ellenbrook. And grabe yung busy nila. Bilis-bilis pa nila mag-cut. Dun sa mga kinak nila kanina kasi nga pa-close na sila. Umalis kami 5:10 na.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
I'm being steady. The haircuts.
Yeah, you're so good. You were staying still. And you follow the instructions. You're so good. Hindi siya nanonood ng iPad kasi wala silang iPad dun. So wala siyang pinapanood. Pina-follow niyo lang yung instruction kung ano siya. Ha? Kung ma-look down, ma-look up.
Are you gonna give me a sticker at home?
Yeah, I can give you stickers at home because you're such a good girl. Well done. So ito yung mga nabili natin today. Well, not really today. Dala ni Mia yung bag niya eh. So, Mia, your bag, oh. What's inside your bag? Tignan natin kung ano dala niya. Ay, wow. Tignan niya. Yung mga pangpaganda niya na toy. Kunyari, makeup niya. May mirror talaga siya. May totoong mirror siya. Si Tita Pretty nagbigay sa kanya nito. Diba? Dala niya yun, guys. Hindi ko lang, may lipbang pa siya dito. Hindi ko lang saan nilagay. So, ito nga yung pa-microphone. Sana okay na siya. So, that's what we have. And yung sa hair salon, binigyan kami ng tomato. O, diba? Ayan. Kasi binigay doon ng customer and di naman sila kumakain. So, binigay na lang nila sa akin. Anyway, ito yung mga nabili natin. So, Daddy's birthday on Monday. And, nakahanap ako ng regalo. My gosh. Libot-libot kami doon sa Gym Kids. Sabi ko, ano yung bibilhin ko? So, lucky minhanap ni Arsenal sila doon, guys. So, ito yung Arsenal. Naka-sale pa. Bongga. $50 siya. Naging $15 na lang. O, diba? Mabuti na lang may size si Daddy. Pero hindi ko tinignan kung may damage o wala. But yeah! Tingnan niyo, guys. Tadan! And tadan! Mabuti na lang may mga ganito dun. Ayan. Perfect. Tapos yung isa, naka-sale din to. Naka-clearance sila. So, nag-$35, naging $20 na lang. So, yan. Ganda din. Wala pang mga ganitong kulay si Daddy. So, yan. Meron itong black and white dun. But I got this one. Kasi yung black, wala ng size ni Daddy. XS kasi to, guys. So, yung mga smallest size nila, small na lang. Ganun. So, yeah. So, pinapalitan ko yung dress. Ano siya eh, yung knitted na dress na blue. Meron akong black noon na nagandahan ako. So, I got the blue one. Pero, may mancha. And nang bumalik ako doon, wala silang size XS. Small lang. So, yung small kasi parang feeling ko maluwag siya sa akin. So, gusto ko yung XS. And wala nang XS. So, di na lang ako kumuha. Instead, I got this one. Pantulog. Hala, bakit ang daming mga ano? Hala! Kaya pala, sabi ko ba't ang daming nalalaglag na mga candy-candy? Na-spill yung candy ni Mia. My gosh. Ito yung kunuha niya sa Kmart kanina. Hindi kasi close ng maayos. Ay, ganyan pala. Hindi ko pinose ng maayos. So, maraming na-spill. So, ito, size 8. Ayan. I got this one. Blue siya na, yeah, stripe. Best and Less. Mga madami akong na-cute na damit. Madami silang cute na damit for boys. Kaya lang, sabi ko hindi ko na kailangan. This is 0 to 3 months. Hindi siya nakasale eh. Na knitted. Maganda. Kaya ito lang yung kinuha ko. So yeah. Romper na ganyan. So halos yung mga damit ni baby is romper and onesie. Yan. Kasi mas ano siya. Comfy and mas madali bihisan pag ayun, change napin, everything. So yeah, so only this. And then Mia got this kasi nakita niya si Sky. Ayan. Diba? Siya na talaga. Pang summer na yung dress niya na binili. And sa Kmart, ito pala, yung underwear, kumuha ulit ako kasi nagandahan ako sa kanya. Kaya lang, ano, pag nag-leggings ako, nagmamark siya kasi nga, parang hindi siya masyado seamless dito. So, nagmamark pa din siya. Unlike dun sa isa kong pinakita sa inyo na different material. Maganda yun kasi hindi siya nagmamark pag nagle-leggings ako. Nagmamark sa pants ba? So, mas gusto ko yun. Yung problema lang dun, yung tahi sa gilid. Parang nakakatihan ako or uncomfortable siya i-wear. Kasi dumidikit sa skin. So, pag, ayun, pag hinubad ko na siya, nakikita ko yung ano niya, dikit. Ano? Mark. Nakikita ko yung mark niya sa skin ko. Hindi ko gusto. Assemble natin yung microphone ni Mia, guys, kung nag-work siya. And sana this time okay na yung microphone. Ito na siya, guys. Tapos, lagay dito yung mic. Diba? Okay, you wanna try the microphone now? So, meron na siyang black. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo may black sa loob. Kasi yung isang microphone, wala siyang black sa loob. So, nawala yung foam. Or di ko alam saan napunta yung foam niya. So, mahina siya. Super mahina. Bluetooth to siya. So, meron din siyang pa-sound. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Meron siyang light dito. And then, may button. Hindi gumagana. Grabe, ang ano niya. Grabe yung volume, in fairness. Okay, let's try to sing.
Hello.
Oh!
Hello. 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 Hello.
Parang pangit ng speaker dito.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, mas okay na siya. Mia, you wanna try? Where's your phone? Where's mommy's phone? There. Tapos i-connect mo lang siya sa phone, tapos yeah, sing ka na. Oh, connect your iPad. Where's your iPad? Connect your iPad here so you can sing. Hello. Oh, so nice. So now both of the microphones are working.
Hello.
So you can have one of the microphone and mommy have the microphone. So you have Elsa, mommy have Anna. Yeah?
That's so good. We can't see it.
You happy? Yeah, you can reach. Oh. Can you see?
The volume is so low.
I don't know how to adjust the volume.
In the mountain cannot. I have my parents stupid thing. A candlelight installation. I look like a queen. I'm telling my controlling always like. Let's give it a little high try. I like this, and the gecko always has to be. I like them know.
Close. Just far away.
I let them know. Let it go. Let it go. Again. And no. Let it go. Let it go. I'm all about let it know. Let it go. Let it go. I perfect out with you. Here I say. And I was going to say. Perfect you. Calling about me anyway. And hold on this way. And you meant to know. You're the one who control me. And ask me that. That's so yummy.
So yummy. Kain tayo, guys. Nagluto na
Mommy,
ako.
look what I made.
Oh my goodness. Nagluto ako ng dried fish. Tadaan! Yung tuyo, guys. Sarap. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ang tiyan ko.
So yummy.
So yummy. The rice or your drink?
The drink is right.
Your drink and rice. Mia's having hot dog. Nag-request siya ng hot dog. Meron tayo. And then yung roast pork kanina na niluto natin. Wala lang tira, guys, diba? Konti lang naman kasi yun. Hindi siya masyadong malaki.
And also, Mom, can you help people with my tricks?
Your trick? What's your trick?
This one.
That one?
You can actually put the whiskey inside here.
Yeah.
It's a butter.
Nilagay niya
It
yung
looks like butter.
drink niya dyan. Sa lid ng kanyang candy. So, sa taas na tayo, guys. Tapos na ako maglinis sa baba. So, everything's done. Gusto ko gupitan ng aking bangs. Kaya ko ba? Try natin. Gupitan ko, guys. Kasi ang haba na niya. Naiinis ako. Dapat hindi ako nakaganon. Otherwise, i-exit. Dapat straight face. Dapat ganito. Oh my gosh! I don't know. Ayan na siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung super iksi. Okay, yan. Hahaba din naman. Okay lang siya. Okay lang siya. Na-remove ko. Dito banda yung hindi okay kasi naiksian ko. But that's alright. So, parang nag-square tapos nag-ganon. But yeah, that's all good. That's all good. Nanimove ko na yung makeup ko. So, I'm just gonna go shower with Mia and go to bed, guys. I'm so pagod. Ang bilis ko na mapagod talaga. So, yun na yung vlog today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog today. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when we upload more videos. And if you want to see our cutie pie, Mia. Bye, guys. Mia, say goodnight.
And my people.